Hey there, animal lovers! Ready to explore the alphabet of amazing creatures? From A to Z, we've got some incredible wildlife facts coming your way. If you love learning about animals, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild adventures. Let's jump right in.
A is Anteater, long snout so neat, searching for ants, a tasty treat. Sticky tongue makes lunch complete. B is Beaver, building so strong, dams and lodges all day long. With sharp teeth they work along. C is Cheetah, running fast, speeding by, it's such a blast. No one's quicker when they dash past. D is Dogong, swimming slow, in the sea they gently flow, eating plants that help them grow. E is Echidna, covered in spikes, big in holes, that's what it likes, with a tongue that flicks and strikes. F is Fossa, sneaky and sly, leaping through trees, climbing high, hunting lemurs as they fly. G is Gazelle, light on its feet, leaping high, it can't be beat, running fast in desert heat. H is Hamster, tiny and round, stuffing food where cheeks are found, in its burrow underground. I is Indian Cobra, hood spread wide, slithering smoothly side to side, with a hiss it moves with pride. J is Jackal, sharp and keen, in the night it hunts unseen, quick and clever, swift and lean. K is Kingfisher, bright and small, diving fast so it won't fall, catching fish so quick it's tall. L is Loris, big-eyed and slow, climbing trees where moonlight glows, a secret life that no one knows. M is Manatee, round and sweet, floating slow with grass to eat, gentle giant, calm and neat. N is Nandu, feathers bright, running fast with all its might, light and hissed rich, so quick it's tall. O is Ocelot, creeping at night, golden fur with spots so bright, silent hunter, at no one nice. M is Pangolin, scale so tough, rolling up when things get rough, eating ants is just enough. Q is Quoll, with spots so white, jumping, running through the night, a little hunter full of might. R is Red Panda, climbing high, fluffy tail and curious eye. magical sight, sipping nectar in mid-flight. Why is Yappy deep in the stream, hiding in mud where waters gleam, snapping claws in a silent dream? Z is Zorilla, black and white like a skunk, but small in height, sprays a smell. What a fright!
And that's the A to Z of amazing animals. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wild adventures. See you next time!